So how can Figaf help you if you have to restore an integration suite trial or an integration suite for one reason or another? We have two options. One is to use the Git repository, and the other is just to use our tracked object. And I think the tracked object is probably the easiest to deal with. So here I just have my refreshed integration suite trial. And to get it working, I would then need to go into my agent configuration. Here I have my existing configuration, and what I would need to do is I would need to go in and refresh all of these properties. That makes sense. If you have custom IDP using those, you need to update it and make sure that the test is successful. If you have a hard time configuring this, the easiest just to create a new agent, go through the setup there, and then do a side-by-side comparison of the two agents and then see how to configure the different artifacts. Once that's done, you go into the tracked objects list. Here you will then press synchronize all packages. And what you will then see is that synchronization is finished, and there's no objects here. If you switch into the deleted object, you can see all the objects that deleted. If you want to restore, you select the artifacts you want to restore, select restore, or select if you want to deploy it, and you just select restore and deploy it. It will then restore and deploy the artifacts. If we switch back to the integration suite, we should hopefully see that this object has now been uploaded. And maybe we can also in the monitor see that it is actually being deployed if I set the correct parameters for the deployment scenarios. So we can actually see it's deployed with an error. For that matter, we do not restore security artifacts, and I don't know why this failed. Anyway, and obviously you can do it in batches. So search per CPI, select all of them, and just select restore artifacts. Obviously, we can also restore script collections, whatever you have that is of importance. So if we have here script collection, let's just get those also restored. So this is really an easy way to restore your integration suite if something fails and you need to restore all the artifacts. If you also use the Git repository to synchronize things in, it's even easier, or you have more options to manage these things. I hope this gives a good ability and understanding on how the tool can work for these scenarios. Obviously, restoring is one of the things that you hopefully shouldn't be doing, but if you need to get into that problem, it's really nice to have the tool in place in advance, so you can just go restore all the artifacts that you need without having to spend a lot of effort on getting it, because once you need to restore, you do not have it. So it's better to have the tool. And obviously there's all of these nice capabilities that just simplifies your operation. I hope you liked this video and you want to explore the Figaf tool. There's free trials and easy way to get started. Thank you.